What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Sprinkle Sugar Pop. If you are new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create this beautiful box. Okay, you guys, let's get started. Here are the things you need. I already did the chocolate covered Oreos, but I did film a tutorial. The link will be in the description box. I decided to do a marbled effect. So I decided to go with the color orange and rose from Color Mill. For chocolate, I used about 9 ounces. And you also need your heart mold. You can use this geometric mold or the other mold. Once your chocolate is fully melted, we're gonna go ahead and start coloring it. I decided to go with the color peach instead of the color rose. So our base is going to be peach. So go ahead and add a couple drops. Once your chocolate is fully colored, we're gonna go ahead and add a couple drops of the orange. So you don't want to fully mix the candy coloring into the chocolate. You just want to move it around to create these swirls, and this will give you the marbled effect. When you're done, pour in the chocolate into the mold. Make sure to cover all the edges and creases. Now pop it in the fridge for 10 minutes. Once your heart is fully hardened, you can go ahead and add the second layer to your heart. I like to focus on the edges first, and then once I'm done with the edges, I add the rest of the chocolate to the middle of the heart and just spread it all over the heart. then pop it back in the fridge for a couple minutes. It's time to remove our heart from the mold. This is the scariest part, but if you followed all these steps, you should be good. Just take your time, because if you break something, you're going to be mad and you'll have to start all over again. I am in love. It came out super freaking cute. Remember, you guys, you can do any color. We are almost done, you guys. Now let's go ahead and add our Oreos to the box. Remember, you guys, I do have a tutorial. The link will be in the description box. So I thought we were almost done, but I was wrong. I was like, you know what, this heart looks a little lonely. So I decided to add a message, happy birthday, and it looks pretty cute. I feel like it looks better. What do you guys think? But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. I am so excited over this box. I can't wait to create more. If you are not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on any future videos. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and comment down below what video should I film next. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.